Let me take you through my beach makeup. This is SPF 50. Eyebrows. So I'm taking my eyebrow pencil from NYX in color taupe. I need to set it with Got2b hair gel. This is how much I take. How immediately my face has changed. In contour, just a little bit. It's like a contour bronzer, just very little. Taking lipstick, this is MAC in color 808 satin lipstick Fox. So I'm just taking it, again, generous amount. A little bit on my nose and my mouth. Again, using my fingers to blend in everywhere. Wherever you think that sun is hitting. I'm taking highlighter. I'm taking the Kiko highlighter in color 02 on the highest point of my cheek. NYX Professional Makeup Ultimate a glow spot, and just bringing it here, blending it with my finger, just to bring this extra glow in the middle. Favorite mascara for the beach and every day, actually. It's really good. It's Kiko waterproof mascara. It doesn't actually go anywhere. If you're on the beach, it's just perfect. And it's spreading the eyelashes. It looks super natural. You don't see the traces. It's just lashes. Look. It's not lumpy, it's just spreading the eyelashes so well. You see? That's it. This is my everyday go-to makeup, and I wear it to the beach as well. I hope you enjoyed my video. Give me a thumbs up, like, share, and comment below if you like the video. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you.